just like this. Somebody with some superhuman gifts, some superhero, some fairy tale bliss, just something I can turn to, somebody I can kiss. I want something just like
you guys have enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a huge thumbs up and tell me what your favorite part of the spread is down below. This color scheme is so mean. The pastel colors and the blues and the pinks together, they're like my two favorite colors. So this spread is perfect for me. If you're wondering, this was the July mystery kit from the Glam Planner. Again, if you didn't get it, I'm sorry, but I couldn't wait to plan with it until after the month. I mean, technically, the day I'm going to be posting this, it's August 1st, so technically I'm allowed to post this in the Glam Planner Facebook group. So I think it's a good call to use this kit this week, especially because this is the beginning of my birthday month. If you guys don't know, I have a birthday series for last year when I was celebrating my 21st birthday, and I have 5 planned for me. I used 5 different kits that I hoarded for a long time because I was just too excited to use them, and then I just decided to use them during my birthday month because I loved all of them. And so that's what I'm doing for this month. So we have this kit, and I didn't have it for long, but still I love it, and it's perfect for this week because it's the beginning of my birthday month. So if you guys enjoyed this spread, don't forget to tell me a comment down below. I just want to give a shout out to my dad and Christy Schmidt for commenting in my last video. Thank you guys so much for commenting. It always means so much to me when you guys comment, especially because you guys were loving the new camera angles, and hopefully you guys like them again this week. And if you do, tell me to comment down below and you make a shout out in next week. And since you made it to the end of this video, you get a sneak peek of next week. So next week we're continuing with kits I love and been hoarding, and we're going to use this nautical kit from last year. I think this is actually last year's July mystery kit from the Glam Planner, so you can actually see like a huge difference in like the Julys. And so this is like nautical themed, and everyone in my life basically knows that I'm like a water baby and I love beach and I love ocean animals. So this is a perfect kit to use for my birthday month. And so if you guys are interested in seeing when I do post this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the post notifications so you get notified every single time I post a video, and so you officially become part of the Ivy League. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram and some of my other social medias, which will be linked down below because I've been updating those frequently, and you can catch up with me on days that are not like upload days. So until next time, this has been Ivy. Thank you for watching. Hopefully I see you in my next video. Bye!